Hello, talking about myself. My name is Lady Dia Zamboni. I'm married and I'm from San Lorenzo, Cauca. I am 22 years old and I am a children pedagogy student at UNAD. In addition to this, I go independent. I live in San Lorenzo with my husband, my son, and my parents. Usually, in my free time, I like to listen to music, watch TV, and go for a good with my family. Talking about my town, San Lorenzo is a district full of culture and biodiversity. It also has many tourist places to visit such as Cerro de la Campana, la Cascada en la Piedra. Where many people usually photos in San Lorenzo, there are also many places where they sell empanadas, guichile, and sometimes they also sell milk bread, which is a typical food. On the other hand, in San Lorenzo, there are several religious and cultural celebrations that are usually held every year, such as the Patron Saints festivities of San Lorenzo, Holy Week, and the Carnival of Black and White. Did many people from all over the country visit this wonderful place? In San Lorenzo, you can carry out activities such as going for a coat, knowing the tourist places and the nearby towns. Thank you very much.